I have come to return one who was lost.
Derek, I had thought better of you, Bane. So tell me, is he the Banshee's puppet? Crammed full of blight? Is he the bomb this time?
That was the plan. But Bane took me from Sylvanas before I was twisted to her will. I'm still your brother, Jaina. For as long as stars do shine.
Why?
The Horde has a sickness in it. We have forgotten what truly matters, and my heart can bear it no longer.
Sylvanas will kill you for this.
No life is worth living if we cannot be true to our nature.
Bane! Thank you.